Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable FPS meter on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the browser app on your smartphone. Now from here, just search FPS meter. Now from here, just tap on up to down. Now from here, scroll down and tap on get the latest version. Now from here, scroll down and tap on download. Now from here, tap on open. Now from here, just tap on install. Now it will take a few seconds to install the FPS meter app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on done. Now from here, tap on allow. Now from here, scroll down and tap on FPS meter. Now from here, make sure you enable this option. Now once you enable this option, just go back. Now from here, to enable the FPS meter, just tap on start. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully enabled the FPS meter. Now from here, you can change the place of the FPS meter. You can set it to the right or you can set it to the left. Just like that. We will set it to the right. And also you can change the place of your FPS meter from top to bottom. You can either select bottom and it will go to the bottom of your screen, or you can select top and it will go to the top of your screen. And also you can change the color of the text of the FPS meter. We will select red. And also from here, you can change the text size of the FPS meter. Just like that. Now from here, if you disable this option, the background of the FPS meter will disappear. Just like that. Now from here, let's test the FPS meter. Now as you can see, as I'm playing the game, it is showing 60 FPS. Now, as you can see, this is how you can enable the FPS meter on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.